Hello my dear lovely students, welcome back to the another video of GK of your class 3rd. Children, this is your lesson 7 in GK, famous Indians. Now come to the question. Here are the names and pictures of some famous Indians. Identify their professions by using the help box and fill in the blanks. This is Narendra Modi. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi. Modi is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, a Hindu nationalist volunteer organization. This is Virat Kohli. He is a sports person. Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer who currently captains the India national team. A right-handed top-order batsman, Kohli is regarded as one of the best batsmen in the world. Number 3. This is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives with his adopted family in Landur, Mussoorie, India. The Indian Council for Child Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. Number 4. This is Alia Bhatt. Alia Bhatt is an actress and singer of Indian origin and British citizenship who works in Hindi films. She is the daughter of filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt, the highest paid actress in India as of 2019. Her accolades include 4 Filmfare Awards. Number 5. This is Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi is an Indian social reformer who campaigned against child labor in India and advocated the universal right to education. Number 6. This is Barkha Dutt. Barkha Dutt is an Indian television journalist, author and owner of YouTube news channel. Dutt has won many national and international awards including the Padma Shri. Number 7. This is Neha Kakkar. Neha Kakkar is an Indian singer. She began performing at religious events at the age of 4 and participated in the second season of the singing reality show Indian Idol. After several struggles, she made her Bollywood debut as a chorus singer in the film. Number 8. This is Mallika Sarabhai. Mallika Sarabhai is an activist and Indian classical dancer and actress from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. Number 9. This is Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is an Indian billionaire business magnate and the chairman, managing director and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited. As of April 2020, Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in Asia. So children, this was your explanations. Hope you understand. Now you have to read, write and learn these points, these names with your spellings. Thank you.